Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. This is your twin flame reading for February 2021. Your twin flame and soulmate reading. Okay. So please check your sunshine, moonshine and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. But if it does not resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and according to your condition and leave the rest. Okay. So let's see what are the messages for your twin flame, your soulmate reading. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading for February 2021. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. So let's see what are the messages which I need to deliver. I'm going to take 5 cards from this deck. Okay. And it was fast. Breathe. Breathe, Aquarius, breathe. Okay. That means relax. Because there is a treasure island which is coming for you, Aquarius, which is full of everything. Abundance is coming for you. Let me know 3 more cards for Aquarius. Help me out to deliver the messages which I need to deliver. Wow. You are the blessed one, Aquarius. I always say you this, okay? You are the blessed soul. You are the blessed one. And you will be very happy. That's why the first card for you is breathe. Relax, Aquarius. Take a deep breath, because energies are very beautiful for you, for your twin flame and soulmate reading, for today's reading. How positive cards are here. You will be very happy. Okay, can you see how this girl is very happy? Okay, how this girl is so happy. So yes, you will be very happy here. Let me see one more card. Give me one more card for Aquarius twin flame and soulmate reading. One more card. One more energy. What are the messages? Help me out to deliver the messages. What is one more message? Okay. Bottom of the deck, I'm having peace. The peace is coming for you, Aquarius. Peace is coming for you. The community card is here. So the community is working with you, Aquarius. The God, the divine, the community is working with you. You are someone who is blessed. Okay, you are the blessed one, blessed with the divine gifts, blessed with the divine blessings. Okay, 0333 was the recording reading time. Okay, blessed one, beautiful things are coming for you right now. You do not have to worry at all. Just take a deep breath and breathe. Relax, Aquarius. Everything is very much good. Okay, there is a treasure island which is opening up. Can you see? There is turtles, slow and steady wins the race, and the abundance is coming for you in terms of financial stability, in terms of love. Okay, you will receive new offers. The love is here, the heart, the star, the coins, everything is here in this box. Okay, and you will be very happy. Can you see how this girl is holding a star in the hand and she's so happy? So this is you, Aquarius. Thank you so much for giving the messages. Let's add some trumpet success. Ace of Swords. You will getting your clarity, Aquarius. You are getting the clarity. The universe, the world card is here. You're completing a karmic cycle. Let's see what are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Give me the 5 cards for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading for February 2021. What are the messages? Third third eye chakra. Okay, your third eye chakra is getting activated, Aquarius. Now you're getting more intuitive. Okay, more intuitive than before. Your intuition will be more active now. Okay, so your third eye is getting activated. Help me out to deliver the messages. Give me the 4 messages. Wow. Trumpet, Chariot. You are moving in a forward direction, Aquarius. Okay, you are not stopping, you are not stuck. You are moving in a forward direction. You know what is right for you, what is wrong for you. You know the difference between white color and the black color. Okay, can you see the number synchronicity? 6, 7. Okay, any other message for Aquarius, twin flame and soulmate reading? Positive movement forward. Wow. Wow. Why I'm saying that? I'm going to show you this. 6, 7 and 8. You are moving in a forward direction, Aquarius. Okay, 6, 7 and 8. Positive movement forward. Beautiful. Your third eye is getting activated. You are rising as a chariot and you are moving in a forward direction. Please give me. Okay. Give me 2 more. I got 3. Okay. It's okay. Okay. Authority. That means the emperor. Okay, and the power, that means the strength. You need to keep your strength with you. Again the 8 number is here because the harmony is coming for you. Okay, you are rising as an emperor and you need to keep the authority with yourself, authority of your life, the control of your life in your hands. Keep your strength with you, keep your power with you, because the harmony, the reconciliation is coming for you, Aquarius. Beautiful message. I love it. Thank you so much for giving the message. Love it. Let's add. Wow. Let's add some message from the Archangel Power Tarot deck. Let me see. What are the 5 messages? Please help me out to deliver the 5 messages for Aquarius Twin Flame Soulmate reading for February 2021. What are the messages for Ace of Michael? That means Ace of Swords. You getting your clarity, I told you. Then there is 5 of Pentacle here. You need not to go through your current challenges alone. Help is nearby. Negative thoughts create self-fulfilling prophecies. Okay. 3 more cards. Knight of Michael. That means Knight of Swords. Someone is rushing towards you, Aquarius. There is Queen of Gabriel. That means Queen of Wands. Okay, 1 more card. Wow, divine guidance, and it just want to come out, the last one, the World card. Again, you completing a cycle. I told you the World card. You are just completing the wrapping out a cycle here. Okay, you are just completing a cycle which you need to complete. Here I'm having divine guidance. The search for meaning in life. Consider an alternative approach. Surround yourself with wise teachers or the friends. So there is a divine guidance which is here for you. You are just completing the world cycle. A very happy ending coming full circle. Spiritual growth and insight is here for you, Aquarius. There is Ace of Swords here, a wonderful new idea. Don't allow bumps in the road to hinder your progress. Clear up communication problems with others. So getting clarity here, you getting your Ace of Swords is here. There is 5 of Pentacles. You need not to go through your current challenges alone. There is a help which is there around you. Negative thoughts create self-fulfilling prophecies. Okay, so you can take care of yourself. If you need any kind of help, take help from others, Aquarius. And someone is rushing towards you who is very strong, committed, intellectual and diligent. This is a time to move quickly. Choose logic over emotion. Sudden changes. So I told you changes are coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, then there is Queen of Gabriel. You are rising as Queen of Wands, who is very passionate, charming, brilliant and independent. You can do anything right now, Aquarius. Go after what you want. You have the ability to attract helpful people. Beautiful messages. Thank you so much for giving the messages to my lovely Aquarius. I love it. Let's see what are the messages from the true love. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Help me out to deliver the messages. Please help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Help me out to deliver the messages. Inner peace is coming for you. The garden, the scared woman. Okay, two more message. Soulmates. Wow. One more message. Love. You have to work on your creativity. You have a lot of creativity inside of you, Aquarius. I always tell you, so work on your creativity. That's the message which I am getting for you. So let me read it out. Okay. So there is a scared woman here. Okay, there is a wild power and scared divinity that must be respected by both women and men. When you call white buffalo calf woman into your life, she will help you do away with self-sabotaging behavior and help you to have the courage to do what you need to know. Okay, this is closely connected to the concept of divine feminine. Although it's more extreme than real life, her story does send an important message. Okay, so this is a card for you, Aquarius. You are rising as a scared woman here. Why you are rising as scared woman? You have the divinity power here as you are rising as, okay, scared woman. Your third eye chakra is getting activated. Now you're becoming more intuitive than before. You are having healing powers inside of you. You are getting inner peace. Okay, you getting your inner peace. Then there is the garden here. So you need to take care of your soul. Basically take care of your soul and water it like a garden. Okay, the garden is here and there is soulmates. See, beautiful, there is a soulmates here around you, and this is your twin flame and soulmates reading. So you getting a soulmate reconciliation here, and there is love. Beautiful, very beautiful cards for you, Aquarius. Love and soulmates are here. So these are the messages. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. I love it. Today's reading is very powerful, very positive, Aquarius, for you. Okay, thank you. Let's add some messages from Angel's Answers. 1414 was the recording reading time. Let me see what are the messages from Angel's Answers for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Wow. Thank you. There is a romance which is coming for you, and there is success. So success and romance can be possible, but success and romance is coming for you. 1441 was the recording reading time. So yes, Aquarius, congratulations. The romance and success is coming for you. Thank you so much, Angels Romance, Angels Answers, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add some message from the angel guide and let's see what they want to say. Okay, let's see what they want to say. Give me the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Wow. In every deck I'm getting here, romance and the connection. Romance and the connection. Every angel deck is saying you romance and the connection. Romance is here, Aquarius. Beautiful message is here. There is a reconciliation here. Romance and connection is coming for you. Beautiful. One more message. Joy and contentment. Okay, you will feel joy and contentment, or you are already feeling joy and contentment, and romance and connection is coming for you. Thank you so much for giving the messages. Thank you. Let's add some more messages from angels and ancestors. Okay, I'm adding 3 decks in your reading, Aquarius, and it's awesome. Let's add some messages from angels and ancestors. Give me the messages. You need to, air guardian is there. Shift your perception, Aquarius. Okay, shift your perception. See the picture from a higher perspective. See the picture. Look at the higher picture basically. Medicine mother, honor your inner knowing. Okay, honor your inner knowing, as you know that you are becoming the scared woman here. Okay, honor your inner knowing. You are having an inner knowing of your own self. Okay, so honor, you need to honor your inner knowing. Then there is summer, bask in joy and light. Bask in summer and joy and light. Thank you so much, angels and ancestors, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add some messages from the Divine Energy Oracle deck. What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? What are the messages for Aquarius twin flame? Burst out of your cocoon. That means you need to step out of your comfort zone, Aquarius. Step out of your comfort zone. Be true to yourself. You need to be true to yourself. Right now you need to keep patient. Be patient. Then there is do what you love. Okay, do what you love, Aquarius. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add some messages. Twin flame awakening. Twin flame awakening. 1818 was the recording reading time. So you both are growing older, gaining awareness here. Okay, let me see what are the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. I love you. Your counterpart is trying to reach you, Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages for Aquarius twin flame reading. Give me the messages. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages? Divine masculine, I love you again, and there is union here. Wow. Wow. A place of love and harmony. Your divine masculine is here, Aquarius. They are trying to reach you. I love you. Your counterpart is trying to reach you. Okay, your counterpart is trying to reach you. Divine masculine is here and I love you is here, and there is union. You both are getting close to each other. Congratulations, Aquarius. Let me see more two cards for Aquarius twin flame and soulmate reading. Is there any other message for Aquarius twin flame reading? Twin flame and soulmate reading. Is there any other message? No. Bottom of the deck, I'm having divine feminine. Wow. Now it's complete. Wow, wow, wow. See, divine masculine and divine feminine, nothing can resist her magnetizing nature. Both are here, Aquarius. Divine masculine and the divine feminine. There is a union which is coming for you, Aquarius. Let me know in the comment section if you're getting reunited with your twin flame, with your soulmate. I love you. They are trying to connect with you. Your counterpart is trying to reach you. I love it. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's add some messages from the soul journey, soul lesson. Let's add one message. What is the soul lesson which you need to learn, Aquarius? Okay, through this life journey, what is the soul lesson? I got two. Fear and balance. Okay. I realize that I'm testing my resolve to live in the energy of love. So you need to work on your fear, Aquarius. This is the lesson. This is the soul lesson which you need to work on. The fear. Then there is balance. I bring a state of perfect harmony into my world, and I do so without judgment. So balance and the fear is the soul lesson which you need to learn in this life journey. Thank you so much for giving the soul lesson. Let's add what you need to surrender, Aquarius, in this life journey. What is Aquarius need to surrender in this life journey? Help me out to deliver the message. What is the thing that Aquarius needs to surrender? Okay. Too many cards. Thank you. Surrender to the beauty of natural world. Take a relaxing break and spend some time in nature. Replenish yourself by feeling the beauty and ecstasy there. See, breathe. Surrender to the natural nature, to the beauty of the natural world, Aquarius. Breathe sometimes, spend some time in nature. Okay, that's the thing which you need to do. Beautiful. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's add some messages from Power of Love. What is the message? Unity. You understand that love shared with other is amplified and has a ripple effort across the universe. See, again, unity is here. Then there is purpose. You possess the determination and dedication to consciously demonstrate love. Beautiful message from the Power of Love. Unity and the purpose. Thank you so much for giving the messages. Let's add some message from the life purpose. What is the life purpose you and your twin flame, you and your soulmate is having in this life journey? Give me the life purpose of Aquarius and their twin flame or their soulmate. What is the life purpose? Any other life purpose? No. Okay. So you can be, or your twin flame can be, a speaker. Your life purpose involves your skills of oration. Okay, so that can be a possibility for you or your twin flame, that you both can be a speaker. Then there is let go. Walk away from this situation in order to resolve it. That is your life purpose, to let go. Okay, Aquarius, let go is here. Then there is spiritual teacher. You heal with your classes, sessions and seminars. So you can be a spiritual teacher, or your twin flame or soulmate can be a spiritual teacher. You can heal with your classes and your seminars. That can be a life purpose for many of you. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the messages. Let me see what are the messages from your twin flame, your soulmate, what they want to say to you. Let's add some messages. Give me the messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. You are my sun and strength. Okay, you are my sun and strength. I want to talk to you but don't know what to say. Okay, so maybe this is the message for those who are not in contact. Maybe if you're not in contact, then it's yours message from your divine masculine, from your twin flame, from your soulmate Aquarius, that they want to talk to you but they don't know what to say. Okay. Any other message for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading for Feb 2021? Any other message for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? No. So yeah, these are only two messages from your divine masculine, that you are my sun and strength. Thank you so much. Now let's add the signs. Okay. Now add the zodiac signs, the elements and the days of born, the month days of your twin flame, of your soulmate. Let me see what are the messages for Aquarius. 1 minute. Okay, so the signs which I got for you Aquarius is earth and air. Okay, they can be having an earth and air in their chart. They can be a Cancer here. Then they can be an air element. They can born September. Okay, September baby. Then they can be a November baby. They can born on April baby. Then they can born on October baby. And there is Wednesday and Thursday. Let me see more. They can born on Sunday, January baby. Okay. Any other? Water and fire, May baby. Okay. Any other sign for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Any other sign which I need to deliver? Too many cards, no. Any other sign? No. Okay. Libra. They can be a Libra here too. Okay. So yes, these are the signs which can be a possibility of your twin flame. So this was your twin flame reading Aquarius. Oh yeah, let me add one more thing. This is a new deck of chakra cards. Let me see which chakra you need to work on. Okay, what are the messages from chakra cards? Okay, let me see for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Give me the cards for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading for Feb 2021. Let me add one or two messages. What is the Aquarius message? So you need to work on your throat chakra and your solar plexus chakra, Aquarius here. Okay, there is here the greatness. Okay, solar plexus chakra, greatness. I like, love and accept myself. I am wonderful and talented and know that greatness resides within me. I harness my greatness and show up in the world. I allow myself to be seen and heard. I cultivate my genius and observe with love and excitement as my greatness makes a positive difference in the world. Okay, So you need to work on your solar plexus chakra by saying greatness. Okay. Then there is thought chakra. We are all children of conditioning. Let go of the odds, shoulds and judgments that inhabits you. Okay, speak wisely, speak gently, speak consciously, but find your truth and express yourself. What you have to say is important. You are an expression of the divine. Okay, so you need to work on your thought chakra here. That's the message which I am getting for you. So this was your soulmate twin flame reading, Aquarius, for February 2021. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner, and if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out. But today's reading is so powerful, so good, that I'm feeling very positive too. Yeah, okay, I'm very excited and I'm feeling very excitement. I don't know, do not know why, but yes, I'm feeling your vibes. I can feel your energy, Aquarius. So yeah, this was your reading, and take care of yourself, Aquarius. Sending you lots of love, light and happiness to all my magical beings, Aquarius, wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.